Whenever I'm feeling really low energy, like physically, mentally, emotionally, lethargic, I like to connect with the water element. So I might spend a couple of hours at the beach or some time at the lake or be with some beautiful waterfalls. And whenever I have experienced that water element during the times when I feel low energy or lethargic, I always feel more energy after I've had those experiences by the lake, by the ocean, or by the waterfall. There's something about the water element that revitalizes my energy. I'm telling you, it works. It works. It works all the time. And so in Chinese medicine, there's a beautiful balance between the yin and yang energy in order to bring harmony and balance into our lives. And these energies are really governed and represented by the 5 elements, the elements of earth, metal, wood, fire, and water. And water is represented by the yin energy, which is all about contemplation, mindfulness, restfulness, retreat, meditation, not taking action. This is a time where we are revitalizing our energy to prepare ourselves for the yang cycle, which is more about action, which is more about the outwardly. The yin water energy is all about going inward so that we can prepare ourselves for the external world. And so today I want to share with you 3 water yin ceremonies for 3 different purposes. 1, to allow you to cleanse and release that which does not serve you. 2, to become contemplative and mindful so that answers and solutions can come into issues in your life. And 3, to be in a state of calm and relaxation so you can move through your life with more flow and ease. So the first water element tip is about cleansing and releasing those lower frequency negative energies that do not serve you, that you are holding on to in your energy field. And so the tip is really simple. You use the water element to take a shower. So when you're in the shower and you feel that warm water just hitting your body and just descending down your body, you imagine any frequencies, lower frequencies of energy that you're holding on to. Maybe it's stress, maybe it's anger, maybe it's frustration. You just visualize as that water is coming down your body, you visualize all of those lower frequency energies just descending with the water and draining down into the plumbing system, okay? So that's one way of doing it, is to take a shower to cleanse and release those energies that do not serve you. Short of taking a shower, you can also cleanse and release by just washing your hands in the sink. Just wash your hands. And as you're washing your hands, set that intention of releasing those lower frequency energies. Just visualize as you're washing the hands that those lower energies are leaving your hands and going down the drain with the water. And also, short of taking that shower again, you can wash your face. As you're washing your face, visualize and set the intention that all of that lower frequency energy is draining with the water as you're cleansing and washing your face. So you're taking the water element to cleanse and release those energies that you're holding on to that do not serve you. So the second water tip, in order to become more contemplative, more mindful, more meditative, in order for answers and solutions to come into your life, is to have a tea ceremony. You know, in Japanese culture, they have a whole school of tea rituals, tea meditations. Why? Because the element of the tea ceremony and the water element, whether it's green tea or herbal tea, that tea brings in the energy of contemplation, mindfulness, reflectiveness. And so when I want to become more contemplative and reflective, in addition to meditation, I like to drink tea. And so I like to do a mini tea ceremony when I need to be more reflective and mindful, and do a little prayer around this tea ceremony. So as I pour my tea, I am setting the intention that answers and solutions will flow through me. Just as I pour the tea, it flows into the teacup. Well, I set the intention that those answers will flow. So before I pour my tea, I do a little prayer. Thank you for allowing me to be contemplative and reflective. Just as the tea flows into my teacup, the answers and solutions flow through me. And then as I drink the tea and enjoy the tea, I imagine the water element, the tea, just coming and running down through me as if answers and solutions just come in naturally, easily, effortlessly, with flow and ease. And I set that intention as I'm drinking the tea. So the third and final water tip is to bring in an indoor water fountain like this into your home in order for you to feel more relaxed, more calm. You know, whenever I hear that water, just like whether it's a fountain, whether it's the ocean, whether it's a lake, you know, whenever I hear that water element, it just makes me feel more relaxed, more calm. You can place a water fountain like this on the desk in your office, or you could place it in the side table in your bedroom to relax, or you could place this in your living room. I mean, these water fountains you could place anywhere in your home. You could have several of them. You could put one in your office, you could put one in the bedroom, you could put one in the kitchen, you could put one in your meditation room. How beautiful is this? And just looking at the water, how it drips down, you know, it just flows down, and hearing that water element really brings calm and relaxation into your energy so that you can stay calm, stay peaceful, and when you're in that state of peace and calm, you can move through your life with more flow and ease. So these are 3 simple water ceremonies that you could do to cleanse lower frequency energies, to be contemplative and mindful so you could bring in solutions into your life, and to also find more relaxation and peace and calm so that you can move through your life with ease and flow. So if you like these tips and you think it would be valuable for your friends or family, please share this video. And if you want to visit all of my spiritual and holistic living tips, just go to my website at yinandyangliving.com. Namaste.